how to make and create creative resume on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here and click on create a design and search for resume. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down on this side, scroll like this until you find the creative resume option right here. Click on see all and choose a template. For example, this one, it looks so cool. As you can see, you can change the informations, the picture and everything. As you can see, everything can be changed. After you finish, go to the top here and click on download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.